Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm so excited to talk on this wall mount stainless steel rack with hook, perfect for organizing your home, kitchen, garden, laundry and garage. Price is just rupees 299. And this heavy duty broom and mop stick holder is a game changer for keeping your space tidy. Let's dive into unboxing right out of the packaging, and you will notice the silver finish. It's not just functional but also add a modern touch to any room, and the stainless steel constructions means it's built to last, resistance rust and to wear, so you can trust it to hold your cleaning tools securely. Installation is a breeze, and the rack comes with all necessary hardware and clear instructions. Just mount it on the wall and you are good to go. What I love most is the dual design, one rack for your broom and mops, plus an additional hook for smaller item like duster or gloves. It's an efficient use for of space. Now let's talk about the functionality. This holder can support heavy item without bending or breaking. If you have ever dealt with flimsy organizer and that just don't cut it, you will appreciate the sturdy design of this one. Plus it keeps everything off the floor, making cleaning easier, and your space looks more organized. If you are looking for a reliable and stylish way to manage your cleaning tools, this wall mount stainless steel rack is a fantastic investment. Rupees 299. It's a small price to pay for clutter free home. Check it out on Amazon and elevate your organization game. So guys, if you want to purchase this product, then I'll share link is in description box, you can check it out. And thank you for watching my video. Your support means the world to me, and I couldn't do this without you. Creating content is a journey, and knowing that you are part of motivate me to keep pushing boundaries and explore new ideas. Every like and comment share help me grow and improve, and I am grateful for the community we are building together. I strive to deliver content that not only entertain but also inform and inspire. Your feedback is invaluable, and so please keep sharing your thoughts, suggestions. I want to make sure I am providing what you want to see. And remember, this is a two-way street. Your engagement fuel my creativity, and I am excited to continue this adventure with you. If you have not already, make sure to hit that follow button so you don't miss out any coming next. Let's keep the conversation going. I love hearing from you in a comment, and so drop your thought below or let me know what topics you would like me to cover next. Together we can create something truly special. Till then, bye, take care guys. Thank you for watching my video.